Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel, where creativity comes to life. Today we're going to create beautiful baby shower invitations using Canva. Whether you're planning for a baby boy, girl, or keeping it a surprise, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you're new to Canva, signing up is free and super easy. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Invitation. Canva will provide you with the perfect dimensions for an invitation. You'll see a variety of templates on the left side. Scroll through and pick one that suits your theme. Selecting a baby shower template and opening it. For this tutorial, I'm choosing a cute pastel-themed template, but feel free to choose any design that matches your baby shower theme. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Now that we have our template, let's customize it to make it truly unique. Editing text on the invitation. Click on the text boxes to edit the details. Replace the placeholder text with the baby shower's name, date, time, and location. You can also change the font style, size, and color to match your theme. Changing text styles and colors. To change the font, simply click on the text and use the font drop-down menu at the top. Canva offers a wide range of fonts, so pick one that complements your design. You can also adjust the text color by clicking on the color picker. Great! Now let's add some personal touches to make your invitation special. Adding images and elements. On the left sidebar, click on the Elements tab to add graphics, shapes, and icons. You can search for specific elements like baby bottles, rattles, or strollers to match your theme. Drag and drop them onto your design and adjust their size and position as needed. Uploading an image and adding it to the invitation. You can also upload your own images by clicking on the Uploads tab. This is perfect for adding a sonogram photo or a picture of the parents-to-be. Simply drag and drop the image onto your design. Downloading the invitation. Now that our invitation looks adorable, it's time to download and share it. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, PNG, JPG, or PDF. For printing, PDF is usually the best option. Once downloaded, you can print your invitations or send them digitally. And there you have it, a beautiful baby shower invitation made in Canva. Easy and fun, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!